and racing. Intelligent Eyes draws for the Elred. Grand game is done on the inside. In the middle portion, we have Kuya Yani, followed over by Gracious Souls alongside is a Guwapo po. Then done on the inside, Time to Explode. Then followed over by Makikiraan po and Smiling Julia, while Dare to Dream is running at the tail of the field. Grand game now the leader by Olalenka and a half. Intelligent Eyes drops back in second, and Kuya Yani is running at it now, trying to get closer. Time to Explode now in fourth, then alongside, also moving up now, and they are now entering the last 350. We've got Grand Game, the one to catch up. This time spread eagling its lead by about 3 lengths. Moving up now to take second is a Kuya Yani. Gracious Souls in the middle and Time to Explode, but it's still Grand Game finishing the game. Second, Gracious Souls, Kuya Yani, close for fourth between Makikiraan po and Time to Explode and Intelligent Eyes.